Hello everyone, Kritika this side from Butternut AI, the AI website builder. Today I'm going to show you how you can claim your free domain for 1 year on Butternut AI. So if you're building a website and need a domain name, we offer a free domain for 1 year. So let me show you how. So once you create your website and you're on your dashboard, you need to upgrade to the paid plan. And once you upgrade to the paid plan, you need to, when you hover over to your website, you will see these two buttons. One is link domain, the other is settings. Click on link domain. And here in this on the screen, it will ask you if you have a domain name already, and click on no, I don't have a domain name. And then it will show you this button, claim your free domain name. So let's click on that. Now this portal will open where you can search for any domain name that you will like. Let's search for abcscoffeeshop.com. So you need to check if it is available, and it will show you. Okay, so this is available. So you need to just click on add to cart and now click on continue button, which is at the bottom. Now it will provide you different options, but since you just need the domain name, just click on domain only, and it is $0 for the first 12 months. And here you don't need to add any of these things. Click on continue button. Now you need to put on your billing information. So it will ask you for your billing information and your card information, but it is not going to charge you for the first year. And it will charge you for the next year, which is going to be $20 for the entire year. So you can put your personal details and again hit continue, and it will ask you to add your card. You can add your card, but you can always cancel before the first year ends. And this domain name which you get is going to be absolutely free for the first year. And once you add these billing information and your payment details, it will automatically link your domain name to the website. Sometimes it sends an email to verify your email address. So look out for that email. So you will receive an email confirmation from ioness.com. That is our partner that is providing domain name. And second, in case you receive another email from Ioness that says verify your email, just click on that link and it will take you to their portal, and you just need to verify your email. That's it. And then your domain will be automatically linked to butternut.ai, and your website will be ready to go live and will be published. So that's how you can claim a free domain name for your website for 1 year on Butternut AI. Thank you.